Ted Fisher here in East Central Illinois in a state park. Come out today to shoot a little video. Wanted to go over what I carry to this park in my pack since this park is somewhat remote. Also wanted to cover a little bit about the park. Okay, let's start going over some of the items that I carry. Some of these items I carry all the time. Some of these items I carry depending on the situation or where I'm going. So let's kind of start in what my priorities are. First thing is shelter, and I'll usually carry a sill nylon tarp, an 8x10, and a flat pack of duct tape. I always have paracord, several different lengths. Carry an Adventure Medical Kit Bivy Sack 2.0 for a sleeping bag for just about any kind of weather. I carry 2 or 3 large size garbage bags. Another flat pack roll of duct tape. And I carry one of those small space blankets. This one, if you can tell on here, is a gold colored space blanket. It's a little heavier duty. That pretty much wraps up the shelter part of it. We'll move on down to water and carry a guy out stainless steel canteen, about 32 ounces. I've got several means to purify water. Carry the Frontier Pro water filter, which is real handy. I also set this up with a gravity feed water bottle system where I can set this up and let it filter through the Filter Pro system and fill up these flexible water bladders. I also carry a SteriPen that I can purify the water with, and all that's packed into a sill nylon bag that I can also carry water in that. Got more paracord in the tools area, small package of stainless steel surgical wire and galvanized wire for snares. A small little first aid kit which has just band-aids and small items like that in it. For traumas, I carry an Israeli bandage. I can use that to cover large wounds, set up a tourniquet, pressure bandage, just about whatever I want. Also in tools, I've got Leatherman Wave, set of wooden chopsticks, titanium silverware for lightweight. I also carry the Mora knife in a homemade Kydex sheath. As you can see that in one of my other videos. For fire, ferro rod and striker. A jet lighter with a small photon light, and some waterproof, windproof matches with a striker and a little waterproof carrier. So I've got 2 or 3 ways of starting a fire. For food today, I basically just have 3 snack bars and some Power Pack Gatorade to add to a bottle of water for sugars and salts. And that's all on top of a drive-on rag or bandana. And I pack all that into a Maxpedition Condor or small pack, whatever I'm going to use that day. So that pretty much wraps it up for what I carry. A lot of these items I always go out into the wilderness with. Sometimes I'll have more food, more water, but basically that'll cover it.